Are you planning your dream house? This video is perfect for you.
And he displays irresponsibility and perceiving things that don't exist in objective reality.
If you are new to the channel, we have many design inspirations for you. Subscribe to be in tune.
Experience the mind-expanding powers of acid. It's psychedelic, baby. That's what it's all.
Do you want to design your space like a pro? We have taken the most important aspects of interior design and condensed them into a free cheat sheet for you. The only thing you need to do is grab yourself a free copy on our website, designercheatsheet.com.
His senses and time perception are distorted. He becomes confused, and he displays irresponsibility and perceiving things that don't exist in objective reality.
If this video was useful, give it a like. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to grab your free copy of the Designer's Toolkit from our website, designercheatsheet.com.
Expanding powers of acid. It's psychedelic, baby. That's what it's all.